you're managing finances with Xero. But selling with Salesforce? Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new contact is created in Xero, a matching lead is automatically added to Salesforce. Or every time an invoice is created in Xero, a corresponding opportunity is logged in Salesforce with the full transaction details. Or even, the moment a payment is received in Xero, Salesforce updates the opportunity to closed won. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Xero and Salesforce, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.